Students, and this presentation is all about block diagram construction. And first of all, we can construct the block diagram of a field controlled DC motor. We have discussed about a field controlled DC motor, and we have derived the equation for its transfer function. And also we have written different equations of field controlled DC motor, and we have familiarized with the electrical circuit equations and mechanical circuit equations. So you should remember all those equations, okay, for constructing the block diagram of field controlled DC motor. So you are asked to construct the block diagram of field controlled DC motor, and the solution begins here. First of all, you should write all the equations, differential equation governing the field controlled DC motor. So the three equations that governs the field controlled DC motor are Vf equal to Rf into If plus Lf into dIf by dt. And the second equation is torque equal to Ktf into If. Third equation is torque T equal to J into d square theta by dt square plus B into d theta by dt. These are the three equations, and either you may by heart it or you should remember it. So in order to start the construction of block diagram, we have to first take the Laplace transform of first equation, that is Vf of S is equal to Rf into If of S plus Lf into S into If of S. That is the Laplace transform of first equation, and in that we can take If of S outside. So we will get Vf of S is equal to If of S into Rf plus S into Lf. So in that If of S is the output and Vf of S is the input. So we can write If of S is equal to 1 by Rf into S into Lf into Vf of S. So output If of S is the product of Vf of S and 1 by Rf plus S into Lf. So this equation can be diagrammatically shown by a block diagram, which is shown in the figure 1. So input is Vf of S and output is If of S. First we will mark that, and there is a block between the input and output. So its transfer function or gain will be 1 by Rf plus S into Lf. So that's all about first block. And next, for writing the block diagram, for drawing the block diagram, next we will consider the second equation, that is equal to T equal to Ktf into If. So we are taking the Laplace transform of second equation. So we will get T of S is equal to Ktf into If of S. So in this equation, If of S is the input and T of S is the output. Okay. In the equation, T of S is equal to Ktf into If of S. If of S is the input and T of S is the output. So we can mark the input and output, and also there is a block, and inside the block we have to enter the gain Ktf. Okay. So, and the next block can be constructed by considering the third equation, T is equal to J into d square theta by dt square plus B into d theta by dt. So we can take the Laplace transform of that third equation. So we will get T of S is equal to J into S square into theta of S plus Bs into theta of S. And in this equation, you know that theta of S is common, so it can be taken outside. So T of S will be equal to Js square plus Bs into theta of S. In this equation, theta of S is the output and T of S is the input. So we can write theta of S is equal to Js square plus Bs, 1 by Js square plus Bs into T of S. So in this, theta of S is the output and T of S is the input. So we can draw the input and output, and also the block will contain the gain 1 by Js square plus Bs. So we have a figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3, and these three are represented by input and output shown on that block diagram. So we can combine these three blocks. So we will get a block. In the first block, Vf of S is input and If of S is output. In the second diagram, it is If of S is input. That means the output from the first block will goes to the second block, and in the second block the output is T of S, and in the third block T of S is input. That means the output from the second block comes to the block 3, and finally the output is theta of S. So the overall block diagram can be obtained by connecting the various sections in series. So we will get the block diagram for the field controlled DC motor as Vf of S and first block contains 1 by RF plus SLF, and its output is IF of S, and then it is given to the KF, KTF, its output is T of S, and then it is given to 1 by JS square plus BS, its output is theta of S. And this is a block diagram of field controlled DC motor. So it's very simple to construct the block diagram for DC controlled motor. First of all, we have to know the differential equation governing the system, then we can apply Laplace transform on each equation, so we will get each of the block. And I think you may be familiar with the same type of problem in armature controlled DC motor. So both are very easy, so study it well. Okay, thank you.